The bug that controls your mind. Did you know there's a bug that turns others into zombies? Meet the jewel wasp, a tiny insect with a deadly secret. It can inject venom straight into a cockroach's brain, seizing control. The result? A helpless puppet that follows the wasp's every command. The roach, now powerless, lets the wasp drag it to its doom. It's buried alive, serving as a nursery for the wasp's young. This grisly scene isn't science fiction. It's raw, unforgiving nature in action. Could you survive a creature like this? Watch the horror unfold and tell us in the comments, would you rather face this or a real zombie? Choose wisely!